What you can't see or feel rather from that photo is just how cold it is out there. It looks like the morning will be a tough wake up.
Absolutely, especially over the next couple of days, really chilly mornings out there. So good day to bundle up if you're going to be out early in the morning. But the good news is that we will have plenty of sunshine over the next couple of days. So the main story is really just going to be quite how cold it is over the next couple of days. But overall today we got into the upper 20s for most of us, right around freezing for the southern coast. And we're going to kind of see temperatures like this over the next couple of days. A lot of us not seeing high temperatures get out of freezing in most spots across the state. And overnight, a lot of single digits out there. I think especially in the northern mountains, we could see negatives as well out there. So it's going to be very, very cold overnight tonight. Upper teens and lower 20s closer to the coast, and we're going to be seeing temperatures like this over the next couple of days. We're going to be kind of locked into this pattern with a mix of sun and clouds, but it's also going to be very, very cold. So the cloud cover isn't going to do much to help insulate us tonight, especially with that snowpack, especially in the mountains. It's going to keep us very cold over the next couple of days. As we get into Wednesday, though, most of us will be pretty sunny with the exception of the coast. We're going to hold on to the clouds for a little bit longer there, so it'll take longer for us to break into that sunshine. But then as we get into early Thursday morning, again, very, very cold up there, upper to lower teens closer to the coast, single digits and possibly below zero up in the mountains. Especially very early in the morning, right before sunrise. That's typically the coldest point of the day. And then as we get later into Thursday, though, it's kind of going to be this rinse and repeat, where we're going to have a little bit cloudier in the morning, then plenty of sunshine in the afternoon, especially on Friday. Friday, though, especially when we get later in the day, that's where we're going to start to moderate temperatures as we get later into the weekend as well. And that's where we're having a warm front approaching. So we'll start to build in some more cloud cover for the weekend, but we will start to moderate those temperatures. So the next system is actually going to pass to our south. So we're going to be able to stay dry really for much of the week until we get into the weekend. That's because this high pressure system to our north is kind of locking us into that pattern. It is going to bring a lot of that cold Canadian air down though. So we're going to stay in that cold pattern until a warm front moves through over the weekend, which will bring in more southerly flow. So we'll be able to get some warmer temperatures, but then we do have to watch this system in the Ohio Valley that will bring us some rain and possibly high winds for the end of the weekend and the start to next week. So very cold week ahead, especially Wednesday and Thursday. Most of us are going to be below freezing. We start to moderate as we get into the weekend, and then once again as we get into the middle of next week, temperatures will start to fall again. Now we're watching this storm for the end of Sunday overnight into Monday because the way this storm is kind of set up, it's going to be a rain event, I think, for all of us, even in the mountains. But the way it's set up could bring us some heavy rain at times and some high winds especially. So we're going to watch that over the next couple of days to see if we're going to be kind of building some concerns around that system. Sea is 2 to 3 feet, water 48 degrees. So here's a look at our 7-day forecast. Things are pretty nice over the next couple of days, except for the fact that it's going to be pretty cold. So as long as you bundle up, I think we've got a pretty good stretch of weather coming up. The next chance of precipitation that we're worrying about, Zach, is not all the way until Sunday night. So we've got some time.
Yeah, some time to figure it out. Dana, thanks so much.